Come closer, love. You've been giving too much of yourself lately, haven't you? Saying yes when your body's screaming? Smiling when you're actually tired of performing? I know that version of you, because I was her. And today, we're going to talk about how to get your power back. How to make people respect you. Not fear you, not use you, but genuinely see your worth. And baby, it doesn't start with them. It starts with you. Step 1, decide who you are and stop apologizing for it. When I was younger, I used to shrink myself to fit other people's comfort. I'd laugh softer, speak less, nod even when I disagreed, because I thought respect was earned by being agreeable. It's not. As Don Miguel Ruiz said in the Four Agreements, your personal power is what guides you to live with integrity, and integrity means being who you are, fully, without apology. So who are you, really? Write it down. Define her. That version of you, bold, soft, intuitive, assertive, she's not too much, she's just right, and she deserves to show up in every room without guilt. Hubder step 2, set the standard before they set it for you. Here's a truth I learned late. People will treat you the way you let them. Respect doesn't just happen, it's taught. So you need to become the teacher. Think of women like Michelle Obama, Maya Angelou, Brené Brown. They walk in a room, and you know the standard is high. Not because they yell, but because they carry themselves like they are not available for disrespect. So here's your homework. Start with your time. Say, I'm not available today, let's reschedule. Then with your space, please don't speak to me like that. And then with your energy, this conversation doesn't feel aligned anymore. No guilt, just quiet, clear power. Step 3, respect yourself first. This is where the magic happens. You want the world to respect you. Ask yourself, do I respect me? Do you keep promises to yourself? Do you talk to yourself kindly in the mirror? Do you let your inner voice lead, or do you silence her to keep the peace? In Atomic Habits by James Clear, he writes, every action you take is a vote for the kind of person you wish to become. So when you start treating yourself like someone worthy of your own time, love, and care, others will follow your lead. Drink your water, keep your word, say no when it costs your peace. Be loyal to yourself first. Always. Step 4, stop chasing, start attracting. You don't chase respect, you attract it. And that starts by living from your center, not your fear. Here's a reason queens don't run after people. Because queens know their value, and they know that what's meant for them will never need convincing. You don't have to chase approval, or love, or acknowledgement. Respect flows to those who walk in purpose, not performance. So I ask you, are you performing, or are you showing up as your real, powerful self? You finally protect your energy like your life depends on it. Because in a way, it does. Be mindful of who you allow access to your space. You don't need to let every energy into your sacred garden. In The Untethered Soul, Michael Singer reminds us, you must decide if you are going to be the one that controls your mind or the one controlled by your mind. That means check your thoughts, check your habits, check your reactions. Because people will feel your energy before they hear your words. And when you walk in, knowing your worth, you never have to demand respect. It just shows up. So my love, remember this. You don't have to yell to be heard. You don't have to be hard to be respected. You just have to come home to yourself over and over again. Start there. The rest will rise to meet you. If this spoke to your soul, leave it in the comments. And tell me what's one boundary you're ready to set this week. Until next time, protect your peace, walk in your truth, and never, ever shrink for